Today, we're adding one of the most popular meme effects, the math calculation or thinking effect. You've probably seen this used in viral clips where someone looks confused or deep in thought and floating math formulas appear around them. Let's learn how to add it in just a few seconds. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Now, go to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects, and remember in CapCut Mobile, effects are applied directly onto the clip. From the category list, open the Comics tab. Here, look for an effect called Quick Math and tap to apply it. Immediately, you'll see floating math formulas appear on top of your footage, giving that recognizable, confused thinking look. There are no sliders to adjust for this effect, so it's super quick and easy. Just apply and go. If you'd like, you can drag the effect along the timeline to control how long it stays on screen. And that's it. You've added the math calculation plus thinking effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for memes, funny reels, and reaction style videos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile editing tips.